Hi everyone, welcome to Pumpkin Mug Cake. My name is Miss Lorena and I'm going to show you the ingredients that you will need in order to make this at home. So I'm going to put this down, show you what I have here in front of me. So you will need a mug, a can opener for the pumpkin puree that you will be using. Some milk here. I'm using almond milk. You can use whatever milk you prefer. I do have some vanilla cake mix. I have pumpkin pie spice. You can use regular pumpkin spice. I don't think it'll make a big difference. And then some oil here. I have a fork, a teaspoon, and a tablespoon measure. So what you will need is, it'll be 6 tablespoons of the vanilla cake mix, 2 tablespoons of the pumpkin puree, so you can buy a can of this, a tablespoon of milk, of course your choice, and a tablespoon of the I'm using olive oil. You can use vegetable oil as well. And then a teaspoon of the pumpkin spice, whichever kind you prefer. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open these and then I'll show you how to mix it together. All right, so I opened up all my packaging just to make it easier and quicker. And what you wanna start off with is the 6 tablespoons of the vanilla cake mix. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So get that in there. I'm going to add my milk, so just a tablespoon of that. And then you also need a tablespoon of the oil you'll be using. And then 2 tablespoons of the pumpkin puree, however you want to take it out, whichever way is easier. And then a teaspoon of the pumpkin spice. So now once you have that in there, you want to mix this all together and make sure that it's mixed up very well. And you can add, if you want to, you can add like chocolate chips to the mix. It's up to you. And also cinnamon. Cinnamon might be good, or you could put the cinnamon on top of it too after you make your pumpkin mug cake in the microwave. And you want to get all that's in the bottom there. Make sure it's mixed up nicely. I'm just using a fork. You can use a different kind of mixer if you want, just to make sure that you get all of that cake batter mix. And then once it's all stirred up and together, trying to make sure it sits at the bottom, which might be a little difficult because it's kind of sticky now. But even if you get some on the sides, that's okay. All right, so now what you want to do is place your pumpkin mug mix into the microwave for 1 minute and 30 seconds. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my mug in there, and I'll show you what the end product looks like. All right, so I did place my mug into the microwave for 1 minute and 30 seconds, and here is my finished product. So you can see it cooked all the way through, which is good. So make sure that it's cooked all the way through. If you need to put it in a little bit longer or less, make sure you check the time that you put it in there for, okay? So I hope you have a great time making this at home and enjoy your pumpkin mug cake.